In this video, I will show how to copy table from Microsoft Word to Excel. So firstly, select your table in Microsoft Word. Then press Ctrl C shortcut or right click here and copy. Open Microsoft Excel and press Ctrl V. So now we have this table in Microsoft Excel. Here you can make more changes. Select it and here is the option format as table. So you can select any style design and click on OK. You can remove this header, banded row. You can resize table. Can remove duplicate. You can summarize with pivot table. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you.